Pitch number 4, boys 15. Pitch number 4. Team B versus Don Bosco Team A, boys 15. Pitch number 4. Don Bosco at Team B Liloan. Pitch number 4. Don Bosco, boys 15. Team B Liloan. Team B versus Don Bosco Team A.
Gerson! Kay Rizulod. Patid na! Patid na! Wala lagi, soda lagi. Pia, ayaw mo din pila.
Referee, pitch more. Kita pitch more. Referee, Don Bosco. Team B Liloan, Team B. Don Bosco Team A.
Dapat walay mabis. Walay panganga. Ito makinig.
Lava Transportation, Cloud Break Incorporated, CU Kitchen Cabinets, FAC, Racial Scale, 3W Outdoor Advertising, Royal Ramirez Films and Areas, 4A AgroScience Corporation, Touch Laundry Services, Remain Secrets, 4S Car Rentals and Services, Angel Sports Apparel, and Speedfast Manpower Services Incorporated. Thank you to all our sponsors for making the Cedar Football possible. 1 month, 3 formats, 1 passion, 1 game.
Ay, shit! Ay, maguguloy. Ay, Kyrie. Shh, kuya. Uy, Kyrie. Oh, hi. Kyrie, uy.
Next game, pitch number 4, Group D, Lapu-Lapu City Heroes Team A versus Kanlungan FC. Pitch number 4, boys 15, Group D, Lapu-Lapu City Heroes Team A versus Kanlungan FC.
Uy! Uy! Ref! Kyrie! Ayaw pag-foul! Ay, Diyos ko, idol, Kyrie. Kyrie, idol. Coach is very good to me, but I did not.
Last game. Let me decide. Let me decide.
Oh no, nagiging ko siya please. Kyrie goal. Kyrie goal. Kyrie, sulod! Sulod, Kyrie! Patin na! Go, Kyrie! Go, Kyrie! Go, Kyrie! Go, Kyrie! Go, Kyrie! Patin! Kyrie! Patin! Oy, handball!
Next game, pitch number 5. Boys 15, Group A. Cebu United Team A versus Don Bosco Team C.
Diretso,
Cebu
Kyrie,
United
diretso!
Team A
Pa-court
versus Don
goal,
Bosco
pa-court
Team C.
goal!
Pitch number 5, Boys 15, Group A, first
Uy,
game.
ngayon ka! Bayan! Dali, dalagan! Kyrie, dagan! Go, Kyrie!
Next game, pitch number 2.
Kyrie! Dali pa, dali!
Boys 15.
Dali na! Gita!
Marigondon Kickers versus Lapu-Lapu City Heroes Team B.
Kyrie, uy!
Number 2, Group B. Boys 15. Marigondon
Faster,
Kickers
Kyrie! No more time, Kyrie!
versus Lapu-Lapu
Faster!
City Heroes Team B. Marigondon Kickers
No more time, no more time!
Heroes Team B.
Go, go! Go!
For pitch number 3, next game, Group C.
Patid na! Patid na! Patid na! Kyrie, go! Kyrie, go! Kyrie! Good job, Kyrie! Woo!
School Ateneo de Cebu Team B versus Dibililo and Team A. Pitch number 3, Group C. Boys 15, first game. Pitch number 4, next game. Group D, Boys 15. Lapu-Lapu City Heroes Team A versus Kanlungan FC.
Go, go, Kyrie! Dali, Kyrie! Kyrie! Go! One more! One more set! 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 Kyrie, push forward pa! Push forward pa, Kyrie! One more! One more! Go set! Go set! Go, Kyrie! Corner! Kyrie, listo, Kyrie! Tuna! 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 Ay, naku, Kyrie!
Again, next game, pitch number 5, Boys 15, Group A. Cebu United Team A versus Don Bosco Team C.
Go, kuya!
Team A versus Don Bosco Team C.
Goal!
Pitch number 2, next game, Boys 15, Group B. Marigondon Kickers versus Lapu-Lapu City Heroes Team B. Marigondon Kickers versus Lapu-Lapu City Heroes Team B. Pitch number 3, Group C. Second High School at Ateneo de Cebu Team B versus Dibililo and Team A.
Kyrie!
Pitch number 3, Boys 15, Group C. Second High School at Ateneo de Cebu Team B
Ana!
versus Dibililo
Na
and Team
naman.
A. Pitch number 4, next game. Lapu-Lapu City Heroes Team A versus Kanlungan FC. Lapu-Lapu
Eh.
City Heroes Team A versus Kanlungan FC. Cebu United Team A, pitch number 5.
Gay, ayaw.
Cebu
Lahos.
United Team A.
Lahos. 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 Pasa kay Re.
Medics, page number 1, Medics, page number 1, Medics,